Hello guys, welcome to Data Hacks. In this series, Framer Motions, we are going to see about the simple animation. In this video, we are going to see about the three important topics. First one is normal animation. Second one is animation on event. Final one is user animation. So we have separated this simple animation video as a three parts. First, we have to install the Framer motion for that. So copy the Framer motion, open the terminal and install. In the meantime, we can go to the home page and remove the unwanted elements. Provide a div tag, div, div and provide home. So here I'm going to provide style. So global CSS, remove the CSS which are don't need here, and remove all the styles, add or padding 0, margin 0, and here I have the created styles for container. Copy the styles and I am going to paste it here. So now we have provided the container and Framer motion has been installed in the meantime. Let's start the Next.Js application. So here you can see all the modification or changes which we have done in a home page. Next, we can implement the animation using Framer motion. First, close the terminal, remove this, remove this. Here import the motion, and here instead of home I'm going to provide another element which is called motion.div. Here I'm going to provide home and close the tag. Here inside this motion tags we can provide the styles which we want to provide or animation properties. So here I'm going to provide initial object x is going to be -100 and animate ex is going to be 200. Now go to the browser. You can see the issues in the browser error. This error is throwing due to it is a server component. So here we are using the server components, but framer motions, if we are going to use framer motion means we have to convert them to client component. So use client and go to the browser, refresh, open the terminal, close, kill the terminal and run again. Now we can go to the home page and refresh. Now you can see the home page, refresh. You can see the animation in a home. So for your understanding, I'm going to close this terminal, go here, and I'm going to provide the style, object font size 50 pixel, format the document, refresh. So you can see here the animation. So we can add smooth transition also here. For that, mention transition property object delay 5. First it is going to provide the delay. You can see the delay here. After 5 seconds the animation will be triggered. So next I'm going to reduce the delay to 1 second, and the animation time, I'm going to mention the animation time be 0.2. Go to the browser and refresh. You can see how speed it is going after 1 second delay. If I am going to convert this into 6 duration, check here. It is moving very slowly. We have seen the animation. Next we are going to see the animation on events. Here, go to the global CSS. So I am going to copy the styles which I have created for box. So I am going to provide the styles and comment this transition, this initial animate. Go to the browser, refresh. So we didn't remove this home. We can turn this div tag to self-closing tag. Now we can check. Refresh. In case it will be good if we increase the size. So I'm going to convert into 200 pixel. Yes. So if the animation is triggering on event means like on hover or on click. So for this I'm going to provide while on hover object x 200. So it will move from left to right side 200 units. Refresh, and we have provided the event as a hover. So hover. So on hover it is moving. So here I'm going to provide the uncomment the transition, reduce the duration to 2 seconds. Browser refresh. We are hovering, delay in time, and it is moving. This is how the animation will be triggered using event. Finally, we are going to implement the animation depend upon the user's values. We have mentioned the value how it is going to be moved. So I'm going to comment the event and initial animate uncomment. Here I'm going to get the use state and create a variable called a range. Set range use state by default value is going to be 0, and here I'm going to provide the input tag input type range. Minimum value is going to be 0, and the max value is going to be 100. Value range, the use state which we have implemented. On change, arrow function. Here we are going to get e and set range e dot target dot value, and I'm going to format the document, and I'm going to copy the styles and provide style, paste your styles. Here in the animation you have to remove this value and range, provide the range. If the range is equal to 0, you have to provide the value as 0. If it is not, you have to provide range. By default, use state will return the updated value as a string. We need to convert them into integer, so provide number and paste inside the numbers. So go to the browser, refresh. So while changing, the animation will be triggered. So here I'm going to comment this transition, so it will update without any delay. So let's move this. If we reduce the value, it will show the, it will move the animation of to the square. So to see the values, I'm going to provide here one div tag. So provide div. Here I'm going to provide a range, use state, and style. Style is going to be margin auto, auto, auto. Let's refresh it. So we can provide some font color also. Font, or directly provide color white and copy the style which is present here, and I'm pasting here. Provide some margin top, 30 pixel. Now we can go to the browser. If you change means the square will move and the value also here it will change. This is how the user can define the animations. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe the YouTube channel. You will get the updates on time.